Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto VIP Lobby. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create your Binance account. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to start your crypto journey safely. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and head to the official Binance website, Binance.com. Always double-check the URL to make sure you're on the real site and not a fake one. Now click the sign up button in the top right corner. Binance lets you register using your email, phone number, or even with your Apple or Google account. Next, enter your email or phone number, then create a strong password. Make sure it's unique and secure. If you have a referral code, you can add it here. Once everything looks good, hit Create Account. Binance will send you a verification code to your email or phone. Just type that code into the box and your account will be confirmed. Now it's time to secure your account. Binance will ask you to enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA. I recommend using Google Authenticator. It's much safer than just using SMS codes. Next is KYC verification. Know your customer. You'll need to upload an ID, like your passport or driver's license, and sometimes a selfie. This step is required to unlock full features like deposits, withdrawals, and higher trading limits. And that's it. You now have a Binance account ready to use. From here, you can deposit funds, buy crypto, or explore Binance's trading features. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Crypto VIP Lobby for more valuable crypto tutorials every day. Thank you for watching, and stay connected with us for more insights, tips, and step-by-step guides on your crypto journey.